For homeowners comparing window replacement in Galena Park TX, choosing the right material, style, and installer can significantly improve comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value. Galena Park TX window replacement services often focus on upgrading outdated units with modern options that help reduce drafts, improve indoor temperature control, and refresh the look of the home. Residential window replacement Galena Park TX projects commonly include full-frame replacement, insert replacement, and glass-only solutions, depending on the condition of the existing openings. Energy-efficient window replacement Galena Park TX is one of the most searched upgrades for local properties because it can support lower cooling costs in the Houston heat. Energy-efficient replacement windows. Galena Park TX area. Homeowners often choose double-pane window replacement. Galena Park TX options with insulated glass, low-E coatings, and weather-tight seals. These features are especially valuable for weather-resistant windows in Galena Park TX, where humidity, heavy rain, and intense sun can all affect window performance over time. Vinyl window replacement. Galena Park TX continues to be a popular choice for both durability and affordability. Vinyl replacement windows. Galena Park TX neighborhood installations are well suited for homeowners seeking low-maintenance frames that resist warping, peeling, and frequent repainting. Many local window installers Galena Park TX recommend vinyl products for replacement windows for homes in Galena Park TX because they provide a balanced combination of performance, cost efficiency, and long service life. Broken window replacement. Galena Park TX and broken glass window replacement in Galena Park TX are urgent needs that should be handled quickly to restore safety and security. Emergency window replacement. Galena Park TX services and same-day window replacement. Galena Park TX options are especially important after storms, accidents, or break-ins. When glass is cracked but the frame is still intact, window glass replacement Galena Park TX can often resolve the issue faster and more affordably than a full unit swap. Commercial property owners also benefit from commercial window replacement Galena Park TX solutions tailored to storefronts, office buildings, warehouses, and multi-unit facilities. Commercial window replacement near Galena Park, Texas, often includes larger custom sizing, durable framing, and energy-conscious designs that help maintain a professional appearance while supporting operational efficiency. Houston Metro window replacement services near Galena Park TX and East Houston window replacement contractors frequently handle commercial upgrades that must meet performance and code requirements. House window replacement Galena Park TX is a smart investment for older homes that may still have inefficient, damaged, or outdated windows. Window replacement for older homes in Galena Park TX often requires careful measurement and expertise to preserve architectural character while improving function. Old window replacement services. Galena Park TX may include window frame replacement. Galena Park TX, sash repairs, and custom replacement windows in Galena Park TX to match unique openings without compromising energy performance. Homeowners seeking affordability can still find high-quality results with affordable window replacement Galena Park TX and affordable window replacement in Galena Park, Texas. The best value usually comes from working with licensed window contractors in Galena Park TX who can provide clear estimates, recommend the right products, and avoid unnecessary upsells. Galena Park, Texas replacement window quotes can help compare options for standard sizes, specialty styles, and full-service installation without sacrificing durability or craftsmanship. Custom window installation. Galena Park TX is ideal for properties that need special dimensions, upgraded functionality, or a distinct design style. Custom replacement windows in Galena Park TX may include awning window replacement Galena Park TX, sliding window replacement Galena Park TX, and specialty configurations for kitchens, bathrooms, and living rooms. Modern window installation near Galena Park, Texas, is often requested by homeowners who want cleaner lines, improved ventilation, and better compatibility with contemporary home improvements. Local property owners searching for the best window replacement company Galena Park TX often look for contractors with proven experience, strong reviews, and a deep understanding of the area. Best-rated window replacement near Galena Park, Texas providers typically serve nearby communities as well, including window replacement near Galena Park TX, window replacement company near Galena Park, Texas, Baytown area, window replacement near Galena Park TX, and home window replacement services near Houston TX and Galena Park. Residential window installers near Galena Park TX and local replacement window experts near Galena Park, Texas, should be able to explain product differences and recommend the right solution for each home. Commercial and residential clients alike can benefit from insulated window replacement Galena Park TX when prioritizing comfort and noise control. Sound-reducing window replacement Galena Park TX is especially useful near busy roads, rail activity, and active commercial corridors where exterior noise can affect quality of life or productivity. Double-pane window installers in Galena Park, Texas, and insulated glass specialists can help reduce heat transfer while improving interior quietness, making them a strong choice for both homes and businesses. Window frame repair and replacement near Galena Park, Texas should be considered when rot, water intrusion, or structural damage affects the integrity of the unit. Window frame replacement Galena Park TX can restore proper sealing and support, which is essential before installing new glass or a replacement sash. Licensed window contractors in Galena Park TX often inspect both the frame and the surrounding wall structure to determine whether a repair, partial replacement, or full replacement windows for homes in Galena Park TX approach will deliver the best result. For homeowners and business owners comparing Galena Park TX window replacement services, the most effective solution is usually one that matches the property's age, location, exposure, and budget. Local window installers Galena Park TX can recommend weather-resistant windows in Galena Park TX for harsh sun and storm exposure, while also advising on vinyl window replacement Galena Park TX, double-pane window replacement Galena Park TX, and energy-efficient window replacement Galena Park TX options. Whether the need is house window installation near Galena Park TX, patio window replacement in Galena Park, Texas, or commercial window replacement near Galena Park, Texas, working with window replacement contractors in Galena Park TX ensures the project is completed with precision and built for local conditions.